Project code ITJBC05. Project title: An efficient NIZK scheme for privacy preserving transactions over account model blockchain. So in this, we are providing account model blockchain. It means if a data is being shared, data or file is shared between bank to bank in a secured way by blockchain. So in this we use NIZK scheme to share data. So in existing concept, so it requires the data time to share the file, and it has leak of data, and and that data has no security. This is the existing concept. The drawback is the major problem is the major drawback is data leak. In proposed, we use zero information. So that is means if a data is shared, so that data should be accepted by authority. After that only the file will be stored in database, stored in DB. So by sharing this data, so what are the major advantages is we use homomorphic function, homomorphic encryption, and it takes less time to share. These are the major advantages by using this proposed system. In existing, they have used homomorphic encryption. So by using this existing technique, so the data is not encrypted properly, or it can't be decrypted. So these are the major problem affected in the existing technique. In the proposed technique, we use NIZK. NIZK is the scheme for sharing data in secured way using blockchain. Using blockchain. This is the architecture. So in this there will be of branch 1, branch 2, and me. So what branch 1 does is, so branch 1, if how we are going to share the data, how we are going to share the file transactions from branch 1 to branch 2 from by the acceptance of admin. So branch 1 will, what will be doing is he will be logging in, he'll be uploading a file. So while uploading, So the key will be generated. Will along with that key will be stored in the database. So what branch 2 will be doing is file if the file so branch 1 will be logging and he'll be viewing the what are the files being uploaded by branch 1. So the branch 2 will be viewing. If the branch 2 wants a particular file which is being uploaded by branch 1 means he'll be sending a request to admin. So what admin will do is which branch is being uploaded and which branch needs the access. So like he'll be seeing those data, and after that the file acceptance will be done, and for that key will be sent to the branch mail id. So which branch is requesting the data, so to that branch the key will be sent to gmail. After receiving the key from the gmail, the branch 2 can download the file, so and he can access those files by decrypting it. So application use, so it can be used in bank to bank transactions of like file data, etc. For future announcement, in future we can use CPVPA framework for sharing the blockchain data. So technology used is MySQL and Eclipse. Why MySQL is used? It is a store large number of data. For that purpose, we are using MySQL, and it can be retrieved. Can be retrieved the data. So why we use Eclipse? Eclipse is the one in which we develop front end UI. So user interface, the login, registration. So these pages will be done with the help of Eclipse and the backend connectivity. Connectivity, database connectivity. So for this intermediate, we use Java to connect the front end and back end. So minimum requirement, the basic minimum requirement, hardware requirement, minimum hardware requirement for this project.